Okay, so the last method is bulk flow method, or mass flow method. Now इस मेथड में क्या होता है, we have a plant, a large plant, let's say a tree. Okay, so this is a plant. I know it's a bit ugly. Okay, so ये रहा, we have a plant, and plant में there is a process that we know, और इस process का नाम है transpiration. Okay. So what is transpiration exactly? Transpiration is a process जिसमें the plant is trying to get rid of air, get rid of excess water, H2O, in the form of water vapor. This is liquid which the plant has. It will convert it into water vapor. That is, it's a gas, and through the aerial parts of the plant, it is occurring through the aerial parts. It will get rid of this H2O. Okay. So ये जो water vapor that is coming out, that will come out through the leaves. Okay. But what is also present in the plant is a definite supply of water, और ये जो water है that is present in the form of a column. okay, और this root के आसपास this water, so this water will enter the root and finally it will form a definite column. Okay, this is the water column. और ये जो वाटर कॉलम है दैट इज मेंटेन थ्रू आउट, इसी की वजह से द प्लांट इज एबल टू टेक इन अ लॉट ऑफ वाटर. और एक और रीज़न होता है कि इसका जो डायमीटर है दैट इज द कैपिलरी साइज इज वेरी स्मॉल. कैपिलरी साइज जितना स्मॉल होगा द टेंशन वुड बी मच मोर, और इसकी वजह से देयर इज अ कंटिन्यूअस स्ट्रीम ऑफ वाटर गोइंग. और ये था द कॉन्सेप्ट दैट यू माइट हैव स्टडीड इन प्लांट ट्रांसपोर्ट. बट व्हाट डज द प्लांट डू वेरी इंपॉर्टेंटली इज इसी स्ट्रीम ऑफ वाटर में इट विल टेक इन Cl minus, K plus, Mg2 plus, magnesium, calcium, nitrate, nitrite. So plant इसी stream में they will travel along with the water. These ions which I am showing with red dots, and through this they will reach the not only the leaves but the other parts of the plant. In this way उनका distribution पूरे plant में हो जाता है. So this is the bulk flow or mass flow method. Bulk flow or mass flow method. This was given by a scientist whose name is Halmo, and this talks about कैसे transpirational pull. This is known as transpirational pull even. So transpirational pull के through कैसे a lot of elements which are present in the soil, let's say there is phosphate even, there is nickel, there is boron, all these are also transported throughout the plant, and this is the last method of passive absorption.